Hey everyone, welcome back. This is our 2010 GX 460. Gonna be replacing these guys. They're getting a little low. But what I want to show you is these bad boys. These are 2014 and newer rims and wheels. These are nice Michelin Latitude. But should give it a nice new stance, really bright. Pretty excited about that. So we'll go ahead and film the rest of this getting installed here. So should give it a unique look. And voila, just got the GX out of the shop here. And this is at Rice Toyota in Greensboro, North Carolina. So these are the 14 rims on it. Looking really sharp. Drove it home. It was riding excellent. We also went ahead and did brakes and new pads. So it was kind of an expensive thing, but brakes and tires are extremely important, especially on an all-wheel drive vehicle, a heavy vehicle. So everyone really, this thing is going to be pretty exciting. It automatically gives it a different look. I haven't seen even on like the GX forums, many people swapping the 14 rims on the 2010 to 2014s. So this is pretty cool, a little different. Hopefully we see you around town, have some more videos about the GX. I know they're really popular right now, so if anyone has any questions, certainly drop a comment, ask any questions, and as always, please subscribe